In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email contact list to Constant Contact. If you're a business owner or marketer, being able to efficiently manage your contact list is crucial, and Constant Contact makes this process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Constant Contact account. You can do this by visiting their website and entering your credentials on the login page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look over to the left navigation pane. You should see an option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that, and when the drop down menu appears, select All Contacts. This will bring up the section where you can view and manage all your existing contacts. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button that says Add Contacts. Click on that button, which will open up a new set of options for you. Constant Contact provides several methods for adding new contacts. Making it quite flexible, you'll see choices such as create a new contact, type or paste contacts, and upload from file. For the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on the upload from file option. Choose upload from file to import your contacts using a file. Before you proceed, ensure that your file is in the correct format. Supported formats are CSV, XLS, or XLSX. In terms of data structure, it's important that your file includes properly formatted headers. The essential one you must have is an email address column, as this is required by Constant Contact. However, feel free to include additional fields such as first name, last name, job title, company, or phone number, if that information is available and relevant. Now that your file is prepared, you have two methods to upload it. You can either click Browse and choose the file from your computer, or use the convenient drag and drop feature to pull your file directly into the Constant Contact interface. Once your file is uploaded, click on the Continue button. Constant Contact will then prompt you to match each column in your uploaded file to the appropriate contact field. This step ensures that all the information aligns correctly within the platform. After you've matched the columns, hit Continue again. Finally, you'll have a choice to either add your new contacts to an existing email list or create an entirely new contact list. If you have a specific segment in mind, this is a great time to utilize that feature. Once you've chosen where your contacts should be added, go ahead and click the Import button. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your contact list into Constant Contact. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a robust email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching.